Hello, virtual world. Okay, we're going to draw our little line down to separate these two. And what are, oh, before I forget, what's our magic numbers? Our numbers that we can circle when we know where to stop. So 2,
2, 3, and then 5, 7.
Yeah, so, and those are called prime numbers. Those are the only ones we can circle, okay? You absolutely have to have those ones memorized, 2, 3, 5, 7. You can't circle a number and say, well, 14. That's not an option. You're just not allowed to circle it. That'd be like you giving me a $14 bill. Is that legal? No, hell no. I know it's a fake. You give me a $14 bill? Come on, man. Like, but you couldn't give me a 10, a 20, a 5, a 1, okay? So this is the same concept. You can only circle a 2, 3, 5, or 7. Okay, so what are some factors of 2? Just 1 and 2, okay? And then 4, 2 and 2. So who's our matchies? Who can we circle and put on the outside?
2.
Yeah, a group of 2. So 1 here and 1 here. Okay, for every color we can put 1 on the outside. Okay, so you only put 1 blue 2 on the outside. And yesterday we learned about how to do the variables, okay? So we say 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so now the letters, we can pull out the smallest amount of letters possible. Okay, so, and we talked about it, I don't think it was in this class, but in another class. So if somebody tried to come rob you and your girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever, on the street, right? Do they just ask for the guy's wallet or just the girl's purse? Chances are they're going to take everything, right? They're going to say, give me your purse, give me your wallet, give me all your jewels, okay, whatever. And so what happens here is we have me and Sarah, okay? And Sarah, I have $7 and Sarah has X $5, okay? And here's Trent over here, and he came and tried to rob us on the street. We have to say, what is the minimum amount that he can rob us for? Because literally, if someone's like, give me your wallet, if I don't have a freaking wallet, I got a kidney, I don't have a wallet. Okay, so I don't carry cash. If somebody would legit try to rob me, I don't know what you want to take because I don't have cash. Like, I might have a quarter left over from the freaking shop. So, like, you're robbing the wrong person. Not to mention, I would probably shoot someone. But, okay, and so we take the smallest amount of X's always, okay? So, the smallest amount, we have 7 and we have a 5. The smallest amount that we could pull out would be X to the 5. Okay? I can't take 7 from Sarah over here because she doesn't have 7 to even give. She only has 5 to give. Okay? I have 7, but she only has 5. Okay? And so we look at this and say, well, if I had 7 and Trent took 5 from me, how many do I have left? Well, I have 2 left. Okay? If he had 5 and it took 5, there's none left. Okay? For Sarah. He took every ounce of her money. Okay? And then we keep the signs the same. We put our addition or subtraction signs back in. Okay, so when we look at this one, you draw your arrow down, and we got 2 and 10, 2 and 5. The 90, I got 2 and 45, 5 and 9, 3 and 3. Did he say it was okay, honey?
Yeah.
Okay. What lunch do you go to? What lunch are you supposed to go to? Oh, okay. Most people don't eat lunch. I didn't ask them. Okay, who's our matchies?
2,
A set of 2s. I got 1 right here and 1 right here.
5.
And a set of 5s. Good. Can we circle those 3s? No, they got to be on the other sides of green lines, okay? So this is my side, this is Sarah's side, okay? So we have to have it in common. So our number on the outside, you're going to have 1 purple 2, 1 blue 5 on the outside. And what do you do with those?
Times them, make them a 10.
You times them and it becomes a 10. Go grab Trent. Okay, so we got 20 divided by 10.
10.
2.
Oh, sorry.
You're adding. It's okay. 90 divided by 10 is 9. How many x's can we take out?
9.
None. Okay, so we look for the smallest amount. The first guy over here has got 2, and he's got none. You cannot take money from someone who has no money. He has no x's. You can't take any, and he doesn't have any. You can get his kidney maybe, you can't take any x's. Okay, so, do you think people really sell their kidney and stuff? They do? Like,
Yeah.
but is it really worth a lot of money? Because I would sell mine.
$10,000.
Huh?
You get like $10,000 for it.
$10,000.
Mostly.
I want more than 10 grand.
Yeah.
For my kidney?
I don't know how much you get for it, but you get a lot.
Or like, like, this is like TMI, but like, women sell their eggs. So like, if you don't know what that is, that's like the things that
Crazy baby.
create a baby. There we go. I'm trying to think of the most correct kid word possible. But like, men can sell their
Yeah.
sperm. Okay, I don't like it. Okay, but they don't even sell it. You pretty much donate. I think you can get a little bit of money for it, but not much. But women's eggs, I know they're like 10 grand an egg. They're like
You can
super
sell
expensive.
dogs too.
You can sell what?
You can sell the dogs too.
Dogs?
Yeah,
What
you
do
can
you
take them to the vet. Like say if they're not made, say if you want to breed your dog, but you want to breed with a specific dog, you can take it to like one of the vets or someone with the same dog, and you can get the male dog sperm and put it in your girl dog.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, you can.
You just pick up the liquid?
You pick up the liquid and you can insert it in her vagina.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
okay.
I didn't know that.
Awesome.
Dog breeders are like legit. So like my dog, we paid $2 grand for that damn dog. Like dogs get expensive. Certain kind of dogs are very, very expensive.
Especially
My dog
the
is
females.
big.
The females are more expensive than the males.
Yeah, I did get a girl dog. I didn't get a boy dog.
I got a wiener schnitzel.
I have a golden retriever and it's very expensive. Okay, I was just wondering if you could really. I'd sell my kidney if it's for like. I don't know what's my price. Probably like 50 grand. I think I would sell my kidney.
And,
How's your heart?
and you can take it to the doctor and freeze the sperm, the male sperm too.
I don't know. I'd definitely sell a kidney for 50
So like
grand.
if you pass,
I'd be off work for a little bit,
if
but
you pass
I'd have
away-
50 grand. Who freaking cares? I don't need that. I barely drink water. It's fine. One of my kidneys, they gotta be good. Well, honey,
You can live without
So
one
what?
lung, one kidney.
I wouldn't get rid of one of my lungs. That's I don't trust that. That's sketchy. You need I don't feel like I need my kidney. I don't know. Maybe I do, but I'm not getting rid of a lung. Like I need to run and stuff, but a kidney.
Both kidneys.
Okay, so here you can't take any out, so we're gonna put them all back on the inside where they were. Okay, they got a free ride today. They did not get robbed, and then you keep all the signs where they were at. Sorry, I was just thinking about that. And I'm like, people talk all the time about selling the kidney and stuff.
But you can sell your whole body to scientists and stuff like that. You know,
I
like
don't wanna sell my whole body. I don't live. I don't have a
No,
death
like-
wish or nothing,
you
but
know
like,
how you go to McMillan and you see them skeletons? They run
oh,
skeletons.
like that.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm an organ donor. I feel like I'm dead. Who cares? I don't need it.
Or you go on YouTube, you can see them cutting the stomach and the layers and stuff like that.
Hell no.
You can sell your body.
All right. We're gonna draw our little line down to keep it separate and our work nice, okay? Because then sometimes you're gonna think maybe there's a 2 that goes over here and it really doesn't. So we got 5 and 7, and 28 is gonna be 2 and 14, 2 and 7. And we look and say, well, what's the matches?
7.
A pair of 7s. Okay, so, and that's it. So we're going to have 1 7 that can go on the outside. Okay, 35 divided by 7, 5. 28 divided by 7, 4. Yep. Okay, how many B's can we take out? 1 B. Okay, so this guy, he's got B to the 1 right here, and he's got B to the 2 right here. And so we always take the smallest amount, and the smallest one up there is 1. Okay, so We took B to the 1. So he had 1. We took 1. How many does he have left?
1,
He had 1.
2,
We took 1. How many does he have left? None. Okay? And the none one is always seems to trip people up for some reason. So, okay, he had 2. We took 1. How many's left?
only 1, but then after you take a number, there's none.
Okay, well, he had 2 and we took 1. So it's just going to be 1 still left. Well, then if you took another one, then yeah, you are right, because then it would be none left. Okay, so, and then we keep our signs where they're at. So we had 2 minus signs, so we're going to put them back in there. Okay, I will tell you that the variables are probably the hardest part, okay? And I always get crazy because I think, well, that's the easiest part for me, but for some reason students, it's the variables that trips you guys up. So don't worry, as long as you get the general concept of it, good job, you know what I mean? So draw your little line down, and we need some factors in 15, okay? So we got 3 and 5, and then for 12 I got 2 and 6, 2 and 3. Okay, who's our matches?
3.
A set of 3s. Anything else? No. Okay, so we put a 3 on the outside. We say 15 divided by 3. 5. 12 divided by 3. 4. How many K's can we take?
Wait, 1. But it's 0. It's 1. Isn't it 1?
So, how many does this guy have? He's got 1. How many does this guy have? None. Can you take something then? No, you can't take $1 from somebody that doesn't have $1 to give. Okay, so you always take the smallest amount of letters out. And so if somebody doesn't have any to give, they don't have any to give. So then what do?
We just put it back.
We put them all back. Okay, so he gets to keep his $1 and he escaped and got away free and clear. Okay, and then we put the signs back.